Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make chicken samosas. So let's get started.
I've got here 1 medium onion which I have finely chopped, 500 grams of chicken mince, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste, quarter teaspoon of turmeric, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of oil, half a teaspoon of coriander powder, oil for frying, some homemade samosa sheets. If you want to know how to make these sheets, I'll put a link below. Or you can always use store-bought spring roll sheets. Just cut them into thirds. Cover the samosa sheets from drying and put it aside while we get our chicken filling ready. And for my flour paste, I've got here 3 tablespoons of water and 3 tablespoons of flour. Put a non-stick fry pan on medium heat, add oil and heat it. Add onions, give it a mix and cook it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the onions are translucent. Add ginger and garlic paste, give it a mix and cook it for 30 seconds. Add chicken mince and fry it until the chicken is cooked and all the liquid has dried up, breaking up any lumps as you go. Add turmeric, cumin powder, coriander powder, chili powder, garam masala and half a teaspoon of salt. Give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. Add lemon juice, give it a mix and cook it for 1 minute. After 1 minute, give it a mix and taste your salt. You can always add salt according to your taste. It doesn't need any more salt. Turn the heat off and garnish it with some fresh or frozen coriander leaves. I'm using frozen coriander leaves. If you want to know how to freeze coriander leaves, I'll put a link below. Take the filling out in a dish and let it cool down for 30 minutes. To make the flour paste, take a dish, add flour and water and mix it into a smooth paste. To make the samosas, place 1 samosa strip on the chopping board, lift the bottom right hand corner and fold it to the left side to form a triangle. Now fold the triangle upwards to form a second triangle. Apply some flour paste on the right hand side of the strip. Fold the triangle to the right to form a cone or a pocket. Press it down on the edges to seal. Open the cone on the top. Fill it with some chicken filling. Place the samosa on the board. Apply some flour paste on the top. Fold it over and seal it tightly. Put it on the plate and repeat this process until you have finished making up all the samosas. I have finished making up all my samosas. Now it's time to fry them. Place a wok on medium heat, add oil and heat it. You will also need to line a plate or a dish with some paper towel to absorb excess oil after frying. When the oil gets hot, fry 8 to 10 samosas for 6 to 8 minutes or until you get a golden brown color, turning them frequently. Take them out. Shake the excess oil off and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this process until you have finished frying all the samosas. My chicken samosas are ready and you can serve them with some tamarind chutney, tomato sauce or chili sauce. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.